Throughout history, ferocious creatures have roamed the earth, and many of the largest and most dangerous have since gone extinct. This list excludes well-known animals like the Spinosaurus and T-Rex, focusing instead on lesser-known but equally terrifying species. 10th, Gigantopithecus. This colossal ape, closely related to the orangutan, inhabited the bamboo forests, jungles, and mountains of China, India, and Vietnam during the Pleistocene epoch. Growing up to 3 meters tall and weighing as much as 1,200 pounds, Gigantopithecus was a herbivore, but could be intimidating. Its immense strength likely protected it from most predators, and it would not hesitate to defend itself against humans who ventured too close. It went extinct around 300,000 years ago, possibly due to overhunting by early humans or climate change. 9. Pomonoscorpius. Known for its impressive size, Pomonoscorpius was a 3-foot-long scorpion that resembled today's scorpions, but could grow up to 1 meter long. Armed with sharp claws and a venomous stinger, its venom's lethality remains uncertain, but the large quantity it could inject suggests it was likely very dangerous. During its time, the Earth was also home to giant roaches the size of house cats, dragonflies the size of hawks, and millipede relatives up to 3 meters long. 8. Purosaurus. This enormous crocodile, known as Purosaurus, lived in South America 8 million years ago and could grow up to 13 meters long, more than twice the size of today's largest crocodiles. Fully capable of swallowing a human whole, these giant reptiles could even compete with and defeat T-Rex in combat. 7. Quetzalcoatlus. One of the most terrifying creatures to ever take to the skies, Quetzalcoatlus was a gigantic predatory bird that stood about as tall as a giraffe. Some individuals had wingspans of 12 to 15 meters, comparable to a small plane. Notably, they had long legs, necks, and beaks, with relatively small bodies and shorter wings. Scientists believe they hunted on the ground, preying on animals as large as dogs or even humans. 6. Megalodon. The megalodon is the largest shark species to have ever existed. It likely resembled the modern great white shark, but was estimated to reach lengths of up to 60 feet and weigh between 50 and 100 tons. Megalodon went extinct approximately 2.6 million years ago, which means it coexisted with creatures still found in the ocean today, such as giant sea turtles and whales. If it were still around, it would be another reason to avoid the ocean. 5th, Gorgonops. Long before dinosaurs dominated the planet, Gorgonops roamed the Earth 260 million years ago. This fearsome predator grew to lengths of 6 to 10 feet and was incredibly swift, quickly rising to the top of the food chain. Its massive canines were so large that they protruded beyond its lower jaw, making it a formidable hunter. 4th, terror birds. During the Miocene, Pliocene, and early Pleistocene epochs, terror birds were the top predators in South America and parts of North America. Unlike Quetzalcoatlus, these flightless birds could run incredibly fast, potentially as fast as a cheetah, and some grew up to 3 meters tall, weighing nearly half a ton. Their primary weapon was their head, which could reach lengths of up to a meter, allowing them to consume prey as large as dogs in a single gulp. With their hooked bills, they could also kill and devour larger animals, potentially including horses and humans. 3rd, Titanoboa. The Titanoboa holds the title for the largest snake to have ever existed, growing over 15 meters long and weighing more than a ton. This massive serpent lived in the warm tropical climates 60 million years ago. It killed its prey by constricting it, much like modern boa constrictors. If you encountered one, it would be akin to a boa constrictor devouring a guinea pig, which is why its extinction is a relief. 2nd, Arthropleura. If you've ever been startled by a centipede or millipede, you might want to brace yourself for Arthropleura, a massive millipede that could grow up to 3 meters long. With few known predators, its ecological role remains uncertain, but encountering such a creature would likely be unsettling. First, Mosasaurus. Fossil evidence indicates that Mosasaurus could reach lengths of up to 50 feet, making it one of the largest marine predators in Earth's history. Its crocodile-like head was lined with hundreds of razor-sharp teeth, capable of dispatching even the most armored prey. Almost 3 times larger than the Liopleurodon, another ferocious sea predator, the Mosasaurus could easily devour a small boat in a single bite. These incredible creatures remind us of the diverse and often terrifying wildlife that once inhabited our planet.